Okay. Okay.
How they cut?
Let's go to Shibuya. Okay. Let's go. And I have a smartwatch, so I can pass the gate with IC card. Hey, go ahead. Okay. Am I? Okay.
Okay. Not the right.
Escalator is different. In Tokyo, it's left side. Standing is left side. This is opposite to Osaka or international. I need to hurry.
でも急ぎましょう。
Do you know that brand?
Yeah.
But
ご乗車ありがとうございます。
頭だけ見える。短いから。なんで？おでこだけ。
Mubo kayo ka.
Really always. Hello.
Let's go. This is Japan. One line, but vacant. Wow. Other way of vacant. So disciplined. Japanese police.
Hello.
We. Oh no. We. Just kidding. There's a Filipino pub, Philippine City Club, La Chica. Why City Club? La Chica.
Because it's not countryside though.
La Chica again. Naidagahama ga La Chica.
Sus. Really sus.
And 1 hour, 3,000 yen. All you can drink. Really? Maoba?
Really?
Maoba? How should I say Maoba in Tagalog?
Ganun ba?
Talaga ba?
Yeah.
Where are we?
I don't know.
Deep inside.
Where's the hotel anyway?
By the way, we don't need to walk.
What?
Actually, I have a special something.
What?
A jump in 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1 jump. Okay.
What?
3, 2, 1 jump. It's so quick. We arrived. Fine, let's go. こんにちは、菊池です。はい。Okay, we've checked in already. And this room. Okay. Yeah. This is so wide. Yeah.
Real wide. Just building.
Just building. We are going to Shibuya to have something Halloween. Something. In Halloween season in Shibuya, it gets so crowded because of the Halloween season.
Bloody crowd.
And naidagahama ga zombie. There are a lot of zombies. For cosplay people. Okay.
Boy.
Let's go.
Let's go to my nightmare.
Just wait.
Shibuya.
It's coming. Okay, let's go. Let's go out. Let's walk.
Let's walk.
Tokyo. What? Hello, America.
America.
Large and extra large and X small, extra small. I'm tired.
Seriously?
Let's walk.
Huh?
Let's walk. We are tired.
Oh my god, you're
Okay.
gonna use my magic again.
Usa Doha Toro. Oh, arrived.
Yay.
We arrived.
Okay.
It's Shibuya, so crowded.
Oh, so.
Oh,
Oh,
it's so fun.
oh my god.
どっちかな? どっちかな? The main cosplay people.
Yeah, I can see cosplayed people.
Lots of people and police. Temporary police station there. See? Sign booth.
Ah, here.
Ah,
Ah.
it's scramble. Scramble crossing. Naghamagataw. There are lots of people and police cars. See the station. It's so crowded. We should not take the train from here. It might be dead.
That was a good idea.
For cosplay, you know. And cosplay. So many cosplays, you know.
You know?
Helkupa. What's the English name?
And Bowser.
Bowser, Hell Bowser.
Jeez.
Not Louis. Not Louis.
Yeah, I might get lost.
Not Louis.
This is chaos.
Oh no!
Freaking chaos.
Freaking chaos. And cosplays. Oh, so handsome. So handsome. Okay, snap.
Yeah. Nuri.
No.
No Nuri this.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back somewhere. Let's go out from here. Okay, let's quit. Okay, let's go. Alright.